Take an entire box of cream cheese that you've cut up into cubes and add it to your favorite jarred salsa, whatever heat you want, and 1 packet of taco seasoning and half a cup of shredded cheese. Mix it all together. And to that, you're going to be adding a pound of ground beef that's already been cooked and the fat and liquids have all been drained. And once that's all in there, you're going to give all of this another good mix. What we're making today is an alternative like taco night pasta dish. So if you're tired of Taco Tuesdays, but you still want Taco Tuesdays, this is a really nice alternative because look, Taco Tuesdays are still amazing. So once that's all mixed together, put the lid on it and you're going to put it on low for 2 hours. You can take the lid off and we're going to be adding some diced green peppers, red peppers, and white onions. I'm going to mix this all together once that's all in there as well. And it's looking so pretty already. I can't wait to dig into this. But once you go ahead and give this a good mix to make sure all the vegetables are mixed in. So that was 1 red bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, and 1 small white onion. And we're adding it halfway through because I don't want the vegetables to turn to mush as they're sitting in the crock pot. And don't forget to scrape down the sides because you don't want those little extra pieces to burn in the crock pot because it'll do that. And once that's all done, you're going to pop the lid back on and cook it for another 2 hours. So it's 4 hours total on low. Ooh, look at how everything's come together. I mean, it kind of looks like a taco dip, but it's a little looser. And that is because this is actually going to be a sauce for, we're going to be adding a full pound box of just regular spaghetti. Go ahead and cook it, drain it, add a little olive oil so that it doesn't, clump together. And we're just going to be adding that right into the crock pot, into that Mexican taco seasoning cheesy sauce. And then it's a matter of tossing it all together. This might be a little easier to do in a larger crock pot. I have the smaller round crock pot. An oval one might work better for you for this tossing, but it does toss. It's just fine. Just takes a little bit of time in these round ones. And see, because we put in the peppers and the onions kind of halfway through, they haven't all turned to mush, which is great. Okay, so now that this is all mixed together, let's give this a little taste test. Oh, looks so good. I mean, Taco Tuesday is great, but kind of need a change once in a while. So this is kind of like a taco night spaghetti dinner. So I don't know, maybe it's like Taco Tuesdays, but like Taco Spaghetti Thursdays. I don't know. So go ahead and take this, and we're gonna add a little bit of sour cream just on top, just like that, and then just a little bit of chopped green onion goes on top like that. Isn't that pretty? I'll give you the taste test. I mean, if you like taco flavorings, this is going to be amazing. Get all that together. The ground beef and oof. Oh, it's hot. It's like taco. I mean, it's a taco spaghetti, obviously, but it is such a taco spaghetti. This is so good. But yeah, make this at home, especially the kitties. They're gonna love this.